Hi, this classmate and tutor. My name is Rafael Flores, Bruce 1905. Explore your point of view about the affecting technology and environment. Many every day in this anger of the ways to meet their needs, both also in the constant evolution. A new form in the production rate profits in the stage economic activities, and even change in life the way for some time and environment that justifies has been increasing the unregulated consumption and raw material and discriminate filing for forests, decreasing non renewable energies. All this problem is leading to continuing environment disasters that harm humanity does not release in the harmful effects for your planet science and for your global awareness. This stay increasing dimension and still in mind in really as no dimension the pollution of air or the choosing primary pollution in water and gulches or forests indiscriminate the usage pollution material, the high pollution of energy from for homes, some habitat, however, a small degree green contribution the discrimination of the environment and the human is foreign factor in the property pollution the contracting growth in the population same weight that change arrange the contribution to nature to process the urbanization in the use environment, the machine in the agriculture and the use of natural resources and is common in this population here industries also layer, low warning in the production in the species and the factor, later in inspection and ready distribution the production usually gain from means extrapolate induced emission the formation for the city on this countryside. I'm staying from the technology. Addressing its production cost, barrier living contributions on these aspects, advanced medicines, barrier means economics, barrier for food production, and better the quality of human life, fostering industry discoveries, advanced English post, barrier contribution interpret. This is time of the technology. Increase in environment deteriorates, global warming, distribution, the deployment of oceanic yards, distributed filing, drying of water sources, increasing the commission, increasing the pollution, social control, depredation of the sound species, use of harmful machinery, playing and the foreign industries that influences and make illegal as economics. Mass production and short time causing the batch to shine and the production, high energy consumption. How do you see future of our planet? From my point of view, they fall against to the functioning world, the affecting the deterioration in the planet and the causing environmental damage, are erosion economic development in the three factor consumption were energies in decrease on these properties on some areas. The short height and rich material in the international organizations such as the United Nations. Do you take quick and effective measures on policy that control in the industry diminish its emission? As pollution gas is and technology that harm the environment while environment damage. How to mitigate the environmental damage? Our control of greenhouse gas emissions of industrial emissions are for land. Discrimination are discrimination use and marginal production. The additional measure to control urban growth and screen air from the school actions consisting habitat wide environment. Thank you very much.